We are your friends. Wait, I just noticed everyone else ran. Oh, so these are like the mamas and the...
It's running so fast. Let's go. It's the blue pools. Say hi.
Hi. Triangle. Wow.
What is wrong with you? Crazy. It's a It's day 3 of our camper van, and I'm the only one that used the toilet. So I guess it's only fair that I clean the toilet cassette. So here goes. Well, firstly, the most important thing is to get your gloves. Glove up. Next thing you need is toilet cartridge, which is used to clean the inside of the cassette.
What are you doing?
Let's head out and clean this toilet cassette. So we'll do the waterway first. Where's the hole though? Oh, here. Yeah.
There.
I don't know if we have enough.
This is just a prelude to something far more exciting. I think you're good. Okay, now your favorite part.
This is where magic happens.
No, it's after the magic has already happened.
Yeah, after the
this is
magic
where it's
happens.
stored.
This is the cassette, so when you pee, everything goes into here. It doesn't just magically disappear. So,
Like we're used to.
all you have to do is to pull, I think.
And if you pull wrongly, it'll splatter all over your face.
There's a latch, so you just pull it.
Worth has filled up this entire canister. Okay, I'll keep my distance and use the zoom function.
Thank you. Look at that, look!
Oh my god.
My teeth!
What kind of monster did I marry?
Bullocks, we hang out too much at the bullocks.
Yeah, very elegant. I would offer assistance, but I'm busy.
Do you? The water has gone in. Flow, flow, water, flow. Oh.
Does it smell?
No? Ah, but it's heavy. It doesn't smell at all.
I don't remember that from the instructions.
Magic blue thing.
So just drop one. Okay.
Oops, wrong way. And we are done.
That's it.
You love it?
Whoa. Don't touch
The
me.
thing.
Cassette has been refreshed. I'm gonna try to use the public toilet only so I don't have to do this. I'd like to take a bow. Very, very beautiful, ladylike. See, Princess Margaret probably does this every day.